Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable Gamepad or a joystick or controller to connect to BlueStacks application player. So here I got BlueStacks 5. You can download this app for free from the official website. So here you can try install this BlueStacks 5. Make sure you have a minimum system requirement, and if you enjoy play the Android's game, use a controller. Also in BlueStacks allow you to use controller to play some games. So here, in order to enable it, you can try to access setting first by click three stripe at the top right corner of your screen. Click settings. Now you can scroll down and try to find the Gamepad option. So here, by default, if you already connect your hardware, your joystick or controller, Gamepad detection will be automatically on. Allow BlueStacks to connect with your Gamepad, so make sure this is on. And also you can allow games direct access to your Gamepad. This is the Gamepad input settings. You can try to turn this on. And also Gamepad vibration, if you enjoy the vibration from your joystick, you can try to turn this on. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.